Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying creator tools and updating Fortnite. This ensures access to event features. Once done, reserve a private island slot and set it to private so only invited players load the map. Next, create or duplicate a game mode template focused on events. Place player spawns, a stage device, and one persistent HUD widget. You need the basics in place before scripting: devices, channels, and a clean layout. Make sure to name channels logically to simplify triggers later. You now build the event logic using sequencer and event tracker devices. They control timing and camera moves. Once arranged, wire channels for start, cutscene, audience control, teleport, and win or fail states so every element reacts in order. Place NPCs or AI if needed, then script music and lighting cues with proper delays. After wiring, run local tests through the island preview and iterate on delays, loops, and visibility toggles. If something misfires, isolate the channel and test that single trigger. You finish by publishing the island as a private event and set any passwords and max players. This locks settings for attendees. Once published, run a full dress rehearsal with testers while monitoring performance and device logs. Make sure streaming, spectator cameras, and teleport points work across connections. If the event still fails, focus on one key troubleshooting tip. Check for channel conflicts. Two devices using the same channel often override each other. Unlink duplicates, confirm device permissions, then retest the specific sequence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.